Hey everyone, we have this CamPure brand camphor cones, so let's check it out. This is a set of 2 cones. MRP is 398 and we got it from Amazon for 369. So one cone cost us rupees 185 and each cone is 60 gram. It comes wrapped in a plastic poly cover. Remove that and do not untie the thread that is on the top of the cone. It also comes with an elastic cord so you can hang it anywhere. Basically, this cone contains camphor and it has the fragrance of camphor only. It is made from 100% pure organic camphor. Other air freshener that comes in the market contain harmful chemical, but this one has no chemical in it, and you can hang it in the mirror of your car, keep it in the washroom, or place it in your clothes. Its fragrance is very soothing, refreshing, and calming. The smell of camphor spreads throughout, and the pack claim that it lasts for 45 days, and I think it will last that long. It has been 8 days since I started using it, and only this much has been used up to. And the good thing about this is it's not like the fragrance will last only for the first 8 to 10 days. As long as the camphor is there in this, it doesn't run out, the fragrance remain. So if you're looking for a chemical free, natural and fresh aroma in your home or car, give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.